Hello students! Well, as you can see, today we are going to start with Unit 4, and the first part of the unit we are going to do it online, and the second part, remember that we are going to see each other face to face because we have classes on San Isidro, okay? But let's start with the first part of the class. As you can see, the name of the unit is Money, and the principal objective of this unit is to work with different kind of vocabulary related with financial terms. And actually, this is the first objective for the class, okay? The objective of the class, as you can see, is to work with the vocabulary, and the vocabulary is called financial terms. For today's class, you have to do 3 activities, and these activities are going to be checked next class on Wednesday. So the idea of the video is explain you what you have to do, okay, and what activities do you have to do for next class. So on activity 8 and activity B are the basic matching activities. What you have to do in activity 8 is to match the words that you have in the box with the definition that you have below the box. So the words on the box, as you can see over here, are equity stake, recession, shares, debt, stock market, and forecast. And over here you have the definitions, so you have to match them, okay, and then we are going to check it. On the second activity B, you have to match the sentence house. What that means, that on numbers 1 to 6 you have the first part of the sentence, and on letters A to F you have the second part of the sentence. So what you have to do is to match them. For example, profit margin is, and you have to complete it choosing one of the letters over here. On the third activity, you have a news report, and you have to complete the whole report with the words from the first 2 exercises. I mean, with equity stake, bankruptcy, recession, investment, etc. So you have to complete this box, this text, with the words from the previous exercises. Also, I'm going to put the audio of this report on Aula Virtual. So you can download it and then you can listen to it, and so you can check, right, if you complete the activity in the correct way. Remember, students, that we are going to check these activities, all these activities, next class on Wednesday in the class that we are going to have in San Isidro. So goodbye, students, and see you next class.